CNC is the way that we build things. To have that ability to make those parts makes us a stronger nation, and we don't have to rely on other people to make those parts for us or those machines. So we make the parts that go together to build the machines that make the product that people want to purchase.
Seems like everything these days is getting more centered around technology. I mean, it has been for a while now, but everything's kind of honing in, and the things you can create with these machines that you can't do with your hands is just mind-blowing.
The well-suited person for being a CNC machinist is someone that is mechanically inclined, someone that has a good visual representation of what they're building, and it's someone that also isn't afraid of technology. So if you've got a smartphone, you're well on your way to being a CNC machinist.
The biggest way that I've remembered and learned things is by doing them wrong the first time. You do it wrong in class, and then I guarantee you're not going to make that mistake again. Especially with the machining classes, it seems like everyone in class wants to learn, and the instructors are very helpful, and you kind of build that rapport and that bond, and it's nice. You feel comfortable asking. It'd be like asking a coworker as opposed to feeling he's 5 steps up the ladder in like management level, which can be harder to talk to. So he feels like he's more of a mentor than anything.
I think Delta gives you the best opportunity. It'd be a lot harder to get a job, I guess, if you didn't have that hands-on experience. Like the company you work for will benefit off your hands-on experience at Delta. Some people do not have that opportunity.
It's a 1-to-1 ratio with the machines. Each student gets to work on their own machine. They don't have to share. So that means that they can use that machine for the entire lab time. Their skills are going to be much better. And when they leave here, they're going to be that much more confident when they go out in industry.
Intro classes are just that, introduction. So everyone, I feel like, in the intro class is shaking because you have all these, you're worried about sharp parts, moving objects. Everyone's nerves are high. Just calm down, take a breath, give it a shot, see if you like it, see if it's something you feel like you could improve at, because nobody, I feel like, is good off the get-go. So we've all been there.
There's a lot of companies that rely on our students to go to work for them. We have companies that are in automotive, or a heavily automotive area, but we also have a lot of aerospace. We're heavily into the medical field. We make lots of tools that they use in the dental and the medical field. There's been a huge boom in the technology area where we're building machinery now in our area that produces the chips that are so popular nowadays in all of our products. Everything from our computers to our cars to our cell phones and so on. So this program is very essential to the area.
When you start with just this raw material, chunk of metal, and whether it's an idea in your head, a blueprint, whatnot, just the whole creation process, and then at the end, hey, look, I made this thing. There's this thing that I made. I mean, you get to feel like, I don't know, a kindergartner finger painting again. It's rewarding. Hey, I made that. Look, can't hang it on the refrigerator, but